My name is John Erdogmus. I'm working for Bowling Green State University as the international recruiter. I've been over there for about 2 years right now. So we are a top 200 nationally ranked university. We also have really strong programs, about 200 different majors available. We are also Division 1 in sports, which is also very well known in the area with Canadian students. We have one of the big sports, obviously ice hockey. Also, a lot of students are also recently preferring sports like golf, baseball, and other sports as well. It is also about 5.5 hours away from Toronto, so a lot of students also prefer to visit our campus. We have a lot of students that's coming in fall and spring semesters that also do campus visits, which gives them the opportunity to kind of experience the campus life before they even start the academic program. So it's really good for them as well. That's also a good point for the parents because they also know the students are not too far away and they get to see the school themselves in person as well. One of the key things that we recommend all the students is we ask the question, why do you go to college for? Why do you go to university for? They want to get a good career opportunity, they want to get a good job. One of our programs called Falcon Internship Guarantee, which is through our career services, that is creating opportunities for all bachelor's and master's and PhD students to actually get an internship opportunity throughout their studies. That's going to open up the doors for them when they actually go for career opportunities because they can actually apply what they study in the classroom to their workplace. So that makes the difference when they actually graduate from BGSU, not with just a degree, but also with work and internship experiences.